how to turn off pop-up notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off pop-up notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find, let's go back first, click this three lines in top corner and then click this one here, settings, and after you click on it just click notifications and then scroll down here until you find this one here, pop up. Then all you need to do is just click on it one click to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.